You clicked a video about a storage bin voluntarily. Let's talk about your floor. I have the INDRESSME extra large organizing bin tote in Camel and black. Sometimes scissors work better. Okay. So, oh my. This is every bit of the beast that I wanted it to be. Not flavor packets. This is massive. And it's holding its shape fairly well, which I'm impressed by. Pretty thick and surprisingly roomy. And here's my sizing reference. It holds the entire fleet, or one tired parent. I tested both. I gotta say, this will work nicely for all of the military incursions that will take place today. So